We're now going to create some basic construction lines that will allow us to show some holes going through this outer shaft here. Not the far outer part of the shaft here, the flange so to speak, but this part here. So what we're going to do, we're going to place some vertical construction lines. Watch how I do this. The mid between 2 points is a very important object snap. Watch. If I click on the flyout here, I want a vertical construction line. So this is on your Draw Tools panel on your Home tab on your ribbon. So there's my vertical construction line and it wants an insertion point. If you hold down the Shift key and right click, you get your object snaps appear on the shortcut menu. Mid of 2 points there, and it asks for the first point. So I'm going to go quadrant there, quadrant there. Then it asks line division. You don't get this in the regular AutoCAD, but basically you can specify how far you divide your mid between 2 points. I want it half and half, so I just press enter to accept the 0.5 default. As you can see, half, half. Do the same again, another construction line, so shift and right click, mid of 2 points, and I want quadrant there, like so. Line division again will be 0.5. Now, press escape there to finish. Now what we want is we want to go to the appropriate layer here, the contour layer. I'm just going to go like this, it's easy. I want that one there, AM0. Now I'm going to place 2 more crosshairs with holes. So, I know that I want them to be the same size as that hole there, which was 10, wasn't it? So, what I can do is I can utilize those snaps there again, remember? Let's do that now. Let's go to center lines here, and I want a center line cross with a hole. So where's the center point this time? It's that point there. It says specify diameter of hole, so hold down shift and right click, end point there, shift and right click, end point there. There's our hole with our center lines. Now it says specify center point again. I'm going to go there, like so, and come out again. Look, that works exactly like that one. Why is that? Because it's remembered the setting. Once you've set it once, you can go over and over again and place any number of holes that you like. So, construction lines are now finished. What I need to do now is draw some lines utilizing my AM0 layer, or perhaps even a hidden detail. Think about it. It's going to be hidden detail. So escape there. Construction lines now turn off. So I'm going to freeze those so I can't see them, like so, and click back in the drawing area. I now want my hidden detail layer here. Notice how we're using all these tools now to bring things together. Then I want 2 lines. Nice and easy, quadrant there. Take it all the way through. It only touches the flange there, like that. And then enter to finish. Same process again. Line command, bottom quadrant this time, that one there. Take it across to there, click, enter to finish. Now we just do a quick trim there, use that line there as our cutting edge, right click to confirm, trim, enter to finish, and we are now done. That's how your construction lines can be useful. They can utilize centers, but you can also, if you want, have horizontal construction lines showing holes. In this case I used hidden detail instead.